With the coronavirus cases in Africa on the increase and the World Health Organization predicting that Africa might become the next epicenter and the possibility of around 200,000 deaths, it has become imperative, therefore, that we take extra steps and caution in following the preventive tips in order not to get infected. Alongside hand sanitizing and washing, social distancing, all over the world, countries have encouraged the use of face masks. My name is Dr. Kingsley Vincent. Let's talk about face masks. Face masks have been shown to reduce the rate of infection and transmission of infectious diseases, even the coronavirus. Medical grade face masks such as the N95 and the surgical mask are the highest quality of face mask that you can get. But with the high demand for these and other PPEs all over the world by governments in order to support their healthcare systems, it has become increasingly difficult for ordinary people to lay their hands on these face masks. Even when you do, you get them at outrageously exorbitant prices. So what do we do in this instance? Is there a way around this? Of course there is. The use of fabric-based face masks, such as cotton. Governments all over the world have encouraged the use of this. Even here in Nigeria, the NCDC has encouraged the use of fabric-based face masks. However, they have to pass certain requirements. Number one, the ability to pass the flame test, which is a test where you try to blow out a fire with the face mask on. If this is successful, then the face mask is not good enough. However, with the face mask on, if you're not able to blow out the fire, then this can give you protection. Secondly, it has to have at least 2 layers of the material. And then of course, you need to know how to take care of this mask and disinfect it is the third factor that you need to consider. How do you take care of a face mask? Number one, you have to ensure that the face mask is meant for you alone. Don't share it with anyone. Secondly, after purchasing the face mask, make sure you wash it with Jik and warm water, and when it's dry, you can use hot pressing iron to iron both the inside and the outside. You can take the iron to the maximum level as long as you're not going to damage the material, and this will ensure that you kill off any microorganism that has been deposited on your face mask. We have collaborated with AJ Stitches to design a very unique face mask that easily passes the flame test. We have gone an extra step to incorporate a third layer in the design, which is a filter layer. We all know that filters actually act as barriers and trap microorganisms, even viruses. So we have incorporated a third layer in our design to give you an extra level of protection. The design of this face mask has this curve to it that follows the natural curvature of the face and makes it easy for you to breathe when you are wearing the face mask, putting little or no pressure on your nose and your mouth. We have also used straps rather than elastic bands to make it very easy for you to adjust it to what level of tension or tightness that you want. So when I put it on, like this. So this is how it looks. Covers your nose and your mouth, and then you can just strap it to whatever level of tightness that you want. We have packaged this face mask in nylon wraps to prevent multiple touching and testing prior to purchase. So don't worry about anybody contaminating your face mask. And then of course we've designed it in such a way that these face masks will fit any adult face. We can also make for kids if you demand for it. So next, you'll see me trying the flame test using our unique designs. So watch me demonstrate the flame test without the mask and then with the mask on. We'll try it now with the mask on. So you see, this is how you know a mask is effective. If it's not able to blow out the fire, then you have yourself a good face mask. The idea behind the flame test basically is if you have the virus and you're coughing and sneezing, it will not be able to escape the mask. The same thing from the reverse direction. If someone has the virus and is coughing or sneezing towards your direction, the droplets won't be able to penetrate your mask. They only will get deposited on the mask. And then of course, I've already mentioned how you can take care of your mask. Make sure you wash it with jig and warm water, and then after which press both the inside and the outside surfaces. Most of the masks that you see people hawking around will not pass the flame test, as we have subjected 10 of these face masks that we bought randomly from different sellers to the flame test, and only 1 out of 10 passed the flame test.
So we want to try the flame test using this mask.
So be careful where you get your mask from. You do not have to look like a masquerade while putting on a face mask. With our unique colors and design, you can look classy and flamboyant in one. Only if you order from us. Call the number below and get yours today. They are very affordable and very classy, and will give you the level of protection that you need. Call us, let's hook you up.